Hello, good morning. What I will teach you is how to add an integer. But first, what is an integer? An integer is any number which is a whole number. Means it is not a decimal or a fraction number. It includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and above, and also its negatives such as negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and below. So that is an integers. So in adding integers, we have to follow two rules. The first rule is adding with the same sign, and the second rule is adding with a different sign. So let us now discuss what is the same sign. In adding integer with the same sign, we have to follow two rules, two steps. The first step is add the digits, and the second step is copy the sign. So now let us have an example. First example. So 5 plus 7. So first step is add the digit. So 5 plus 7, the answer will be 12. And copy the sign. So it is positive, or the answer will be positive 12. Another example. Another example, negative 5 plus negative 7. So, add the digit. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So, the second step is copy the sign. So, since the sign is negative, we should put negative here. So, that is what the adding integer with the same sign. So, now let's move to different sign. So in different sign, it is also have a steps. The first step is subtract the digit, and the second step is copy the sign of the bigger digit. So let us have an example. First example. So, negative 8 plus 4. So, the step is subtract the digits. So, let's change the operation into subtraction. So, subtract 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So, the second step is copy the sign in the bigger digit. So, since 8 is the bigger digit, so we should put negative here. So the answer will be negative 4. Another example. Positive 8 plus negative 4. So same process, we should change the operation into subtraction, then add the digits. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So, the sign will be positive because 8 is the bigger digit. So, the answer will be 4. So, that's the end of our topic. So, let us have now a quiz or an activity. Here is the activity. Add the following integers. It is 5 items. So, to answer this, you should pause the video. And then after that, if you are done, let us now solve. So, okay, I hope you are done. So now let us solve the activity. The first one is positive 12 plus negative 7. So it is a different sign. So 12, so the first step is subtract. So we should change the operation into subtraction. So 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. So since the 12 is the bigger number, we should put positive. So the answer will be positive 5. So number 2. Number 2. Negative 17 plus 6. So, same process, we should change the operation into subtraction. So, 17 minus 16 is equal to 11. So, since 17 is the bigger digit, so we should put negative here. So, the answer will be negative 11. Number 3. So, it is example for the same sign. So, let's add a digit. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. And then copy the sign, which is negative. So, the answer will be negative 10. For number 4. So, it is an example of different sign. So, same process. Let's change the operation into subtraction. So, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So, for the sign, since 10 is the bigger number, we should put positive. So, the answer will be positive 6 or 6. So, last number. It is also example for the different sign. So, at same process, change the operation into negative. So, 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. So, since 15 is the bigger digit, so it is positive. So, the answer will be positive 8. So, that's the end of our activity. So, now let us have your homework. It is also 5 items. So, please copy this. Number 1, negative 4 plus 3. Number 2, negative 7 plus negative 3. Number 3, positive 2 plus negative 5. Number 4, positive 6 plus negative 2. Then, number 5, positive 8 plus positive 5. That's all. I hope you learned something. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.